In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play Heist in GTA 5. So first go to GTA 5 online and you wanna click the up arrow to open your phone. Go to quick join and go to Heist, and then click Heist again. Then you wanna select join on call and then hit enter one last time. This will basically search for a job for you, and once it finds one that is hosting, you will be able to join and play Heist. So I'm just gonna pause the video here until I find one. Okay guys, it finally found me a Heist game here. So once you hop onto this screen, as you can see, there's 4 out of 4 players, and here you're just gonna wait for a few seconds for the game to load. And as you can see, it's launching now. It took like I think 2 minutes for the game to load and to find me a host. So here you're just gonna click ready to play and click select, and just wait for your friends to click ready, because this is an online game. And looks like one of my teammates here have left, but I think the game will still start, as you can see. So this is basically where the game starts. So I think they're gonna give you a car and you're gonna have to go and follow your friends here. So let's see, there's a car over here, there's 2 cars, you're gonna have to follow them to the heist. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.